In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to edit footer in GoDaddy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage and edit your footer in the GoDaddy website builder. It is extremely simple, and all that you have to do is visit the website builder and open a specific website that you would like to manage the footer for. So scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to find it. Click on the footer once to highlight it, and you will now be able to change all of its settings. So immediately upon highlighting and clicking on it, you will be able to manage it here at this right-sided menu. So you will usually have these options: layout, accent, copyright, footer note, and then social accounts and site navigation. Keep in mind that this might differ for you. I am using the trial, and these are the options I have and the options that I'm going to showcase. So first, I recommend that you select layout. As you can see, you can change how the footer looks. So some of these will make it wider or bigger, taller, and so on. Choose one that you like and that is visually appealing to you and click done, and the changes will be saved. Now, once you have the layout set, the next thing that you should look into is the accent. So you can make it darker or lighter according to the appearance of the entirety of your page. It can be nice to have some contrast between the footer and the entirety of the page, but this is entirely up to you. It is very personal, and you should take your time and carefully browse through all of the theme options that you have. For this video, I'm only going to show how it looks here, and I'm gonna leave it as is. But like I said, you can take your time and change all the layout as needed. Now, the next thing that you can look into is the business name or any sort of text field input. So you can type whatever you wish here. For example, thank you for visiting our page, or whatever you wish. This is just an example. As long as you include something here, it is going to be reflected on the footer, and you will be able to change the font size like this. And you can also add some effects. Now, I'm not going to update this, but as you can see, you will be able to update the font size for the entirety of the website as well to make sure that everything matches. I'm just gonna leave it as it was. You can then include some sort of address. So if you are running a business through GoDaddy, it might be nice to include the street where it is located here. So you can include the street, the number, and so on. So make sure that you go through all of this process. And you can also include contact details like a phone number. You will notice that as soon as I changed the layout, more options appeared. So the layout usually is going to be what changes all of these inclusions. So make sure that you browse through all of them. You can then include some sort of copyright text. I recommend that you leave this as is. I don't recommend changing the specific text, but you can if you wish. And finally, you can do a footer note. For example, made with GoDaddy, or you can include your name, whatever contact information you want, and it's basically just another text input. Finally, you can have social links, so for example, Facebook, Twitter, and so on, and you can do custom links for each one of them that will redirect you to the other social links that you have, and the site navigation options, which just redirects you back to this menu here. I hope I was able to help you on how to edit footer in GoDaddy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.